How to set up 270 plus awning. Hello everyone, this is Wayne from Teehoo Overland. We are a factory which specializing in integrating rooftop tent, awning R&D, manufacturing, sales. Today we will show you our latest design, 270 plus awning. The size of this awning is 230 centimeters, 19 centimeters, 18 centimeters. It is designed with 6 arms. All arms are made of high-strength aluminum alloy. The total unfolded area reaches 12 square meters. Now let's open it. First, zip the awning bag. It is very smooth to pull over. Then flip the case up. Untie the buckles. We use 3 buckles to make sure it is securely fastened. Put down the awning. Each awning comes standard with 2 ratchets and ropes. Put one end of the rope into the ratchet and pull it out at the other side. Fasten one end of the ratchet to the ring above the awning. Then pull the rope and walk in the opposite direction of the awning to extend the awning. Tying a knot like this will make it easier to remove when disassembling. Tie the rope on the rack. Fasten the rope. Ratchet can make ropes tighten. It is the same we tie it on the other side. This is the internal structure of the awning. We designed hinge is thick. This prevents the awning from sagging when fully extended. The struts are hidden in the structure of the main awning legs. Take off the legs and insert it into the ground. Rotate to adjust fixed legs length. Fix the guy rope in the hole. In standard configuration, we provide 5 windproof ropes and ground pegs. Tightly insert it into the ground. Among tent accessories, we offer 2 pocket bags. Now is how to install the pocket bag. One of the bags is in the form of Velcro. The other 2 are plug-in type. Open the waterproof plug and plug in the power cord. After connecting the power bank, press the switch button to turn on the light. Please note that we do not provide a power bank as standard. This is the whole process of set up the tent. How to close the 270 plus awning. First, pull up all the pegs. Then untie the windproof knot. Using the knot that we showed you, it will be more easier to loose it. After that, remove all the pocket bags. Pull up all legs stuck in the ground. Snap it into place in the fixed slot. Rotate the legs to fixed. Unfasten the rope. Shrink along one side toward the side of the car. Do the same action on the other side. Push the arms on both sides to the innermost side close to the car. Roll up the shade fabric. Make sure the fabric is rolled up relatively small. Just few steps that you can close the awning. Tie the 3 buckles, then tighten the strap. Zip the case and the awning is closed. That's all about this video. If you are interested in our products or want to know more about our products, follow our channel or go directly to our official website. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video.